Alright YouTube, next day in the DPF saga. I have deburred the inside. Now I'm just going to grind a bit of a V in preparation for welding. And I'll bring you back. Okay, so I've ground at 45 back from the flange. I've left about a millimetre of the inside seam there so that I've got a good chance of clearancing it properly. Same on this side. Just giving it a bit of a touch with the grinder, giving it a bit of a bevel. Now comes time to clean it with some acetone, prep it for the weld. So my cut-off disc was just over a millimetre, so ideally I want to space this just over a millimetre, and I've got some 1.6 welding wire, so I'm going to try and space it using that. Okay, so I've got it spaced according to my gap. Now let's see if we can tack them in place. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be trying to use. Number 8 with a gas flow lens on it. 2.4mm seriated with a slight tip on the end there. And we'll see if we can weld it about 100 amps, 80 to 120, something like that I reckon. And I'm going to use silicon bronze filler rod and see what happens. First up will be the tacks. We start at 0.6 gas and start at 20 for 0.3 up to a full of 100 amps. And 1 second down to 10 amps and 0.6 post flow. DC 2.4 CT, so I've only weld while I've got the button pressed. Let's see where we go. Okay, so I've made some progress. This is probably the hardest bit because I've got some clearance issues here. But again, held nice and firm. So I'm using a silicon bronze, which should do the job. Fingers crossed. Touch on the tight piece. Just reground the tungsten. And I've just got this final piece to finish out now. And the job's done.